Can I do that?
Phantom, how the fuck you need two hands?
Bro, come on, man.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Yo, why are you laughing? You just lost weight. You just lost weight, bro.
Why you mad at me?
Okay, want to say that your video's been helping me, and 4 of my closest friends died a few years ago.
No, I was not. No, somebody said L. Reader.
Why and who K?
I swear to God.
And I made 3 more and all got deleted for thumbnails or something. Got robbed the other day.
What the fuck?
Alright, now what the fuck is going on, bro?
My wife left a note on the fridge that said, "This isn't working."
Nah, this nigga life is
not sure what
crazy.
she's talking about. I opened the fridge door and it's working fine.
What the fuck?
I ain't hear from you in days.
What, bro? Nah, my friend is niggas.
Well, I knew it was something.
I'm dead ass talking to you, but this nigga on the phone with somebody laughing. Bro, get out, bro. Like, damn.
You so lame.
This nigga is literally right here on the phone with somebody listening to him.
What's up, girl?
Nah, I'm talking to you though, but hold on, I'm gonna call you back.
Nah.
Oh my fucking, bro, you